Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome tutorial about how to customize our loading indicator which we already implemented in previous video. If you didn't watch the video, I am giving an I button. You can check it. The loading indicator code refactor. Let's before we dive into our tutorial, we can find the NV activity indicator view on GitHub. I will give an description. You can check it there. Here there is an more than 32 indicators are different design indicators are already available. We can use by simply by we can change our type like a ball rotate or square spin like that. If we change means the based on the type the indicator will be show on your UI view controller. Let's dive into our project and we can import our pod file, that is nothing pod of NV activity indicator view, pasting on our pod file and saving, and I am opening my project on in Finder and opening the terminal, then installing my pod files. Now the NV activity indicator view was installed in my project. Then I am opening the loading indicator class and importing the NV activity indicator view and customizing my indicator view as a UI activity indicator view already. Now I am changing it into NV activity indicator view. Then must we have to change our indicator init function by NV indicator view by frame, that is nothing but a CG rect of int, that is x is 0 and y is 0 and width is 60 and height is 50. The type is, now I am choosing the fourth one is a square spin. I am copying the type and paste it here, and the color is red and padding is 50. Then we don't know this lines of code because we already implemented the color. No need background. If you need, you can show it there. Then style we don't need. Now I am running the project. Now you can check it. The indicator was showing, but based on our constraint, the indicator was showing on full screen. We have to customize our constraint, so that I am commenting this 4 lines of constraints and changing my constraint to as a center of my view controller, so that center y dot constraint is equal to for view of center y and multiplier is 0 is active is true. Likewise we can set as a same thing for x anchor, so I change it to x. Then we have to set some width and height constraint, so that I am setting this. Before that some error of happening, so that I am changing that for view of center x multiplier 0 and its active is true. Then in my width constraint I am setting this as a constraint constant value is 60 is active true. Then the same thing we changing like a height constraint and setting as a 50. Now I am running the project again. When I tap the indicator, the indicator was showing, but we set a background color for the indicator so that the gray color was showing. We can comment our background color and running again. Now I tap the indicator view, show indicator view. Now the indicator was showing. If we need to change any activity indicator, but by different style means by selecting the type and paste it on the activity indicator view type and running again. Likewise, we can customize our activity indicator based on our project category. Likewise, the indicator was showing very perfectly. I think this video is very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Support my channel and Facebook links, Facebook pages. Thank you so much. Thank you.